VOLTEX VT-0330-D4 direct drive automatic trimming top and bottom feed, fully automatic walking foot sewing machine. Adopt integrated electric control box with maximum speed 2500 RPM. Human-computer interaction technology creates a simpler and more intuitive, intelligent experience for users. Upgraded ultra-wide sewing space up to 280 millimeters, presser foot height 14 millimeters. It can easily pass through the sewing of a large area of material with strong seam thickness and good layer seam performance. When sewing thick materials, it is easy to cross slopes and even stitches with a maximum stitch length of 12 millimeters. Stable feeding, efficient operation, strong needle strength, low vibration, and low noise. It is widely used to sew various medium and thick materials, bags, leather products, etc.